Well, I mean, we run specials periodically on a lot of things. Right now we're running a alignment special for $59.95, which is basically, we'll bring the car in, we'll put it on the rack, we will check all your suspension components for integrity, make sure everything is tight and as it should be, and then set your toe, which is the basic alignment of any of these vehicles, and make sure your steering wheel is straight for $59.95. If there's any reason that it's not going to align properly, then we're going to inform you of that, and then let you know what it's going to take to be able to align it to where you're not wearing your tires out. Tires are expensive. $59.95 is a lot cheaper than a set of tires. So.